Relationships are a huge and normal part of life. One of the things that characterize relationships in every place in the world is disagreement, problems, and ultimately brokenness. In the Bible, we learn about a man by the name of Onesimus. Onesimus had wronged his master, and as a result became a runaway slave. He fled to the city of Rome, hoping to hide himself in the busyness of the big city. But in the providence of God, he met the Apostle Paul, and Paul led Onesimus to the saving knowledge of Jesus Christ. Long story short, Paul sent Onesimus back to his master, a man by the name of Philemon. And Paul had written a letter in which he encouraged Philemon to show Christian love and receive Onesimus back as a brother. Now, as Christians, we have the same privilege and opportunity to display that kind of love in our relationships. But our relationships are never immune to stresses and strains.